Hello Pew Pew fans, as you can see I'm pulled over on the side of the road and we got blackberry bushes, otherwise known as brambles. And we also got sweetbriar rose, otherwise known as wild rose. Rose petals, rose hips, rose leaves are useful, edible, medicinal. Do we got anything else here while we're standing outside the car? I don't really see anything worth messing with, but there we go. There's some more. Oh, wait a minute. Red clover. There's some more red clover. There we go. Pew Pew. All right, here we go, Pew Pew fans. I'm gonna zoom in on this one. That there is yucca grass. In about another couple of weeks, 2 or 3 weeks, there's gonna be a big old tall, 6-foot tall stem come up out of that with some white flowers on it. Them white flowers are edible. The seed pods are edible. The grasses are useful for basket weaving and stuff like that. You can also pound the crap out of that grass and get a mild soapy solution out of it that you can use to clean yourself at camp. The Native American Indians used to call it bear grass and they call it Indian soap. Good stuff. And as you can see, again, right here on the side of the road, there's some lyre leaf sage right there. There's some thistles. Uh-oh, here's a good one. This one right here is very young Queen Anne's lace. I'll show you that one again later on. And here's prickly pear cactus. I'll show you that one again later on in the season when they bloom out. Those are good stuff. Prickly pear is edible. The root of the Queen Anne's lace is what's that over there? Anyway, the root of the Queen Anne's lace is edible. It's called Indian carrot or wild carrot. You do have to be careful with the carrot family because they're in the nightshades. But Queen Anne's lace, the flower, is the second year growth of wild carrot, and it is edible. It's very rooty. It's very small. It's very tough and woody. Not worth the time as far as I'm concerned, but it is edible. The prickly pear cactus is edible. You just got to get past the spines. The fruit is very high in vitamin C and other things. Again, you got to get past the spines, and you know, there you go. I'll show you some more later on, including hemlock, aka poison hemlock. The poisonous look-alike species to the Queen Anne's lace. Another reason why I say just avoid the Queen Anne's lace, the wild carrot, because it's really not worth your time. So, pew pew. Sitting back here at home, I was previewing the plants videos that I just filmed today and realized that I needed to add an addendum. So I'm going to throw this in at the end of the video and give you fans and viewers, those of you who are watching these plants videos, give y'all a little heads up on yucca. The yucca baccata, otherwise known as Adam's needle, several other different names, beargrass, etc. Jacob's flower, I think some people call it. Anyway, yucca plant. I featured this one in the video. You've already seen it. Yucca contains a chemical called saponins. Saponins is odd. In some people, it lowers blood pressure. Other people, it raises blood pressure. So be careful when collecting and eating yucca. Like I've said before, sample only small bits because you need to see if you're allergic, what it's going to do to you, how you're going to react, etc. Personally, myself, I just wouldn't really bother with it. It's one of those, it's kind of pretty. If you're going to use it for anything, use the stem for supposedly you're supposed to be able to cook the stem and it eats like asparagus, but I tried it once and it was awful. So I would just avoid eating it and just use the stem and the grasses for making cordage and other stuff like that for survival camp or camping or just for whatever. But I wouldn't bother eating that crap. Yeah. Anyway, see you in the next road video, which I don't know which one's coming next. We got so much going on. We'll see you on the next one. Hope you enjoy this stuff. Again, I'm just sharing this for information. Do your own research on this stuff. Seriously, do your own research on these plants, because you never know. You could accidentally get the wrong one, and there are some of these that do have poisonous lookalikes. I am trying to include the poisonous lookalikes in the videos, along with the flashcards. As you'll see in the next set of videos, the flashcards are going to be set up as little fade-ins on each plant. So that's going to be pretty cool. Yeah, that's what's up. Be careful, or go out foraging with somebody who knows a whole lot more about these plants than I do. That's a really good idea. Okay, pew pew.